concepts regarding our geology and what are the important points that we have to cover. In botany also we have discussed so far. Until now onwards, I would like to introduce to you chemistry as one of the basic concept and subject to our neat attention. So, three subjects will be covered in this YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my channel for future endeavors. Let us take atomic structure as an important chapter because from this chapter at least we are going to get 3 to 4 bits, and atomic structure will be useful for you NEET students as well as for JEE mains and advanced students also. Some problematic questions we are going to cover so far. Along with that, theory points we are going to discuss. Let us see what is an atom. What do you mean by an atom? My question to you, what is an atom? An atom is considered as, or atom, an atom is considered as one of the structure that will be uncuttable or undivisible in the further separation process. Any matter, if you take a matter is made up of certain kind of atoms. Atom was for the first time atomic theory to describe the structure of an atom. Atomic theory of matter was proposed by John Dalton, as you know very well about John Dalton, who is familiar with the atomic theory in 1808. Since, as you know that in the 12 years or 13 years of age, John Dalton was become a teacher, and he had been teaching various subjects like physics, chemistry and mathematics. His theory of Dalton and Dalton atomic theory regarded as best theory to understand how atoms are segregated and arranged. Dalton atom theory was able to explain different laws that are nothing but, in previous classes also we have seen law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion and etc. successfully explained by him. However, it failed to explain results of many experiments. For example, as you know that substances like glass, let us take a glass. Glass or ebonite, a kind of material, rubbed with silk or fur, especially when you rub it on them, it gets electrified or electrically charged because of reaction. Let us take scientists towards the end of 19th century, beginning 20th century, especially in these centuries, these established them atoms. Let us take the atoms are made up of subatomic particles. These subatomic particles, whatever there, in these subatomic particles if you see, such as like electrons, protons, neutrons and etc. are considered as the subatomic particles. So a concept where very what we can call significant in describing these structures from that of Dalton, that also we are going to see. Discovery of subatomic particles. For the first time, an insight into the structure of an atom. Let us take an atom. Here we have an atom. Okay. What are the particles that are present in an atom? That subatomic particles, especially in and around the atom, what type of material, what we can call subatomic particles are generally present, and they are electrically discharged through gases. By this electrical discharge tube or cathode ray experiment, for the first time some of the scientists traced these subatomic particles. We need to keep in mind a basic rule regarding the behavior of charged particles like charges. As you know that like charges are repel each other and unlike charges are attract to each other. So like charges repel each other, unlike charges are attract to each other. Based on this character, we can understand discovery of further subatomic particles. Further, in the coming class, we are going to see discovery of subatomic particles in detail.